Are you a freelancer, self-employed individual, or small business owner? If so, you're probably familiar with the concept of quarterly estimated tax payments. The IRS requires certain taxpayers to make estimated tax payments throughout the year, typically on a quarterly basis. January is almost here, and it's the perfect time to check in on our progress so far in 2025. Let's do a year-end review. But what exactly are quarterly estimated tax payments, and what documents do you need to calculate them? Let's break it down. First, you'll need to gather some important documents to help you calculate your quarterly estimated taxes. These documents may include 1. Income statements. This includes income from all sources, such as earnings from self-employment, freelance work, rental properties, and investments. 2. Expense records. Keep track of all business-related expenses, such as supplies, equipment, utilities, and travel expenses. These can help reduce your taxable income. 3. Previous tax returns. Reviewing your previous tax returns can provide valuable information about your income and deductions. Once you have gathered these documents, you can use them to calculate your estimated tax liability for the current quarter. To calculate your quarterly estimated tax payment, you'll need to estimate your taxable income, calculate your self-employment tax, if applicable, and determine any other taxes owed. Here's a quick guide to calculate what you owe and avoid IRS penalties. One key rule: if you expect to owe $1,000 or more when you file, the IRS wants those payments in advance, typically 4 times a year. Start by estimating your total income for the year. This includes wages, freelance income, investments, rental income, etc. Estimate your income. Add job income, side gigs, interest, dividends. Subtract deductions and credits. Use IRS tax brackets or tax software to estimate how much federal income tax you'll owe on that income. Example: estimated taxable income, $80,000. Estimated federal tax, $10,000. Don't forget to include self-employment tax. If you're self-employed, 15.3%. Next, subtract any tax already withheld from your paycheck, plus credits you're eligible for. Example: estimated tax, $10,000. Withholding, $2,000. Net estimated tax to pay, $8,000. Divide the total by 4 for equal quarterly payments. Example: $8,000 for $2,000 per quarter. Payment due dates: April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th next year. Pay online at IRS.gov using Direct Pay or the EFTPS system, super easy and instant. And that's it. Estimate your income, calculate your tax, subtract any withholding, and split it into 4 payments. Use IRS Form 1040-ES or a tax pro to help if you're unsure. It's important to make these payments on time to avoid penalties and interest. By staying organized and keeping accurate records, you can make the process of calculating and paying quarterly estimated taxes much smoother. And remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, it's always a good idea to consult with a tax advisor. Like and subscribe for more tax tips.